It's 105.1 The Buzz with Daria, Mitch, and Ted. Let's welcome to the show cosmetic surgeon, Dr. James Chan.
Welcome, Dr. James Chan.
Hello, Dr. Chan.
Dr. Chan.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Look at your nice posture.
He has very good posture.
He has excellent posture. What do you say to that?
Thank you.
That's right.
My mom taught me well.
Listen, it's kind of old news already, but just because of you being who you are and such a professional in your field, we'll just ask you for sort of the definitive answer. Renee Zellweger, immersed in public. She hasn't been seen in public very often in the last few years, and she looks dramatically different. And there's all sorts of like, leave her alone and the thing, do whatever you want with it. That's fine. It's no sort of value judgment. But the fact is that she looks she doesn't look like the same person. Yeah. What caused that?
Well, so it looks to me like, and she hasn't admitted that she's had surgery, but it clearly looks like she had upper eyelid surgery. And the thing with Renee is that is her defining characteristic. And when you have surgery and you change that, yes, you're going to look different. And
because it was so evident before.
Right.
Because she was so known for having that particular eye look.
Right.
That when it changed, it really seemed shocking, even though on a different face, it might be almost unnoticeable.
Right. And not to say that the surgery was bad or that she looks, bad now. It's just that she looks different and it's clear. And I think that's really important because sometimes when patients come in, they tell us they want to look better. They don't want to look different. I think that's a very important conversation to have before undergoing surgery.
Retaining ethnicity and retaining the look of your genetics, your family is important to most people.
Absolutely. It's very important. You need to have that conversation with the doctor so they understand and so the doctor understands exactly what you're looking for.
Do you ever have it happen where people bring in a photo of a beautiful celebrity or model and they say, make me look like this?
Yes, it happens all the time, unfortunately. And the reality is that we can't do that. I mean, there's
what if they already look a lot like that celebrity, though?
There may be things we could do to tweak it and make them look closer. But, we're surgeons. We use a scalpel. We don't have a magic wand. We can't make somebody look, like
you don't get anybody in there like, hey, I'm hiding out for some guys who need to look like somebody else.
You better do that surgery.
You make me look like Looney.
Like Clooney, is that what you said? Let's talk about seasonal treatments right now for the face and other areas of the skin. With summer being over, this is probably an excellent time to deal with sun damage.
Absolutely. This is a great time because now with the sun going away and, you're not going to be outside as much, laser treatments are perfect. And there are all types of laser treatments. There are some that have minimal downtime all the way up to, where you need to hide out for about a week.
Let's go through some of them. I had a treatment done with Dr. Chan's staff at Reviance, which is his place. It's Dr. Chan and Reviance, same thing. Where I had an IPL laser done on my face, and it's I don't want to say it hurts, but you can feel it. Like there's no doubt that something's happening. It feels like somebody when you put your thumb over your middle finger and then you flick somebody on the shoulder.
Yeah. It's
kind of like that, and it hurts for about as long as that does too, or a little rubber band snap. And I think it's probably it's a laser and it zaps your face like that. There's a cooling gel put on first, and it maybe like 50 zaps or 40. It goes over your face twice.
Depends on how big your face is.
Yeah.
Mine would take a week.
Most people it's 10, but Daria, you took 50. And then
because of your big face.
And then your face gets red and it gets super freckly, like almost like you put on freckles with a Sharpie.
Yeah.
And then you notice it really strongly for a couple of days, depending on how much sun damage you had. I had a lot. And then all of a sudden, one day you notice there's a little less, and one day you notice there's none. And it's absolutely transformative. I've never had anything done like it before, ever. And everybody now that has known me before wants it done.
Yeah.
Is that one, that has to be one of the most things that you see a huge change from?
Yes, and it's been around for decades. It's one of the best.
How come everybody doesn't get it?
That's a good question. It's been out there for a long time. It's been known as, photofacial or intense pulse light, IPL. There have been a lot of different names for it, but it's one of the best lasers out there.
And it's not, it's not like a chemical peel. You don't suffer for days afterwards at all or anything like that, you can just, I just went in the morning and went to work that afternoon. And I'll take off work if there's the slightest thing wrong. But the level of transformation was incredible. I mean, it was a massive difference.
Yes.
I haven't worn a drop of cover up or foundation or
your
anything
skin looks
since.
great.
And it's just, it looks.
It does, doesn't it?
So clear,
It looks, you don't realize how much.
You look real beautiful.
Hey, thanks, fake Clooney. You don't notice, I think, how much you have discoloration and age spots on your skin.
Yeah.
You think like, oh, it looks pretty good, but then when you see it all clear and even,
right,
you look
That's the key.
years younger.
It's so even.
Yeah. What are some other laser treatments? What is what I had done was called IPL. It's intense pulse light.
Right.
What is pixel laser surfacing?
So Pixel, it's a brand name for the erbium laser, and there's erbium and there's CO2 laser, and both of those are what we call ablative lasers. They actually remove some of the surface layer of your skin, and in doing so, what happens is underneath, new skin grows with a lot more collagen, so you get this real youthful looking skin. It's great for brown spots like you're describing that we treat it with the IPL, but it's also good for wrinkles and the fine lines.
Now, what if you have a face and you look in the mirror and you think, I can't put my finger on what the problem is. I just know that I don't look like I did when I was younger. The texture of my skin, the look of my skin, I don't know what I need, but I know I need something.
Good question.
Mm-hmm. Can people come in and what would you do with a person like that?
Yeah, so basically we need to evaluate and figure out what issues you're dealing with. Is it the brown spots, the red spots? Is it the fine lines and wrinkles? And then also get a sense of what your timeline is. Do you have any downtime? Do you need to get back to work that same day? Do you have a week or 2 weeks to recover? And depending on those parameters, we can design a customized treatment plan that will take into consideration all those factors.
Tell us a little bit about, I know this is extra long today, and I apologize, but the whole IPL thing got me actually incredibly excited. It's such a short amount of time for so little pain, for so much difference.
Great results,
you have
You
a
could
thing.
make me look like a completely different man.
Hey, it's true fake Clooney on the lamb. You have a thing where it's, I don't know the terminology. Is it like a treatment of the month club, or what is that thing that you have going?
Yeah, so it's called a VIP facial membership club. And the idea behind it is that we wanted to make facials and chemical peels affordable, and also we want people to do it consistently. So,
it's freakishly cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
And then in addition to that, you can do add-ons. You can do add-ons like the IPL, you can do Botox, you can do fillers, and they're all, discounted if you're a member. So it allows you to do things at an affordable price and also do it consistently, because that's really the key to maintaining healthy skin.
You have a monthly thing. You've paid a fee for your VIP club membership, and then you go in and Elaine, or whoever else, Elaine is the best. She's this shaman woman, kind of, will assess your skin, and if you can have long-term goals. You could say, well, month by month, we're going to work towards this thing. And you just month after month seeing yourself look a little bit better, a little bit younger, a little bit more awesome, and it's really, I don't know of a deal anywhere else like it.
Yeah.
So that's called, say it again, it's the
VIP Facial Membership Club.
VIP Facial Membership Club.
Fake Clooney ought to join that club.
I'm already a member.
You're the president, I bet.
You can find out more information about Dr. James Chan and Reviance by going to, what are you laughing
Just
at?
left it Fake Clooney.
What I love,
You be careful what you're laughing
and
at.
what you guys can't see, is that his body language and face
He's all laying down.
are also fake Clooney right now. Completely
comfortable.
unnecessarily. DrJamesChan.com. Thank you. We'll see you
Thank
in
you.
about a month.
Thank you.
Thanks, Doc. Imagine Dragons now. 105.1 The Buzz.